Hello viewers, I welcome you to today's tutorials on animation, and the application we're going to use in creating our animation is called the Plotagon. As you can see, the Plotagon app is loading, and it has loaded. I want you to understand that this app has high memory size, which implies that before you download such app in your device, you must make sure that you have enough memory space. Now, this is the next phase you see after the Plotagon has loaded. These are the various features you're gonna see. Now, when you click on this icon that looks like the camera icon, it shows the plot and the characters. Okay, now let's face the characters for now. The characters here, you say create. When you click create, it means that you want to, modify an existing character. For instance, you see Sally, Otto, Helen, Gordon, Richard, Jade, Grace, and Amy, and so on. They are characters, okay, and these characters are characters that you can modify to suit your own uh, type of character, and you can also name it. Now when you click on a particular character like Sally, you click on Sally, or Otto, any of them, you click and you click create. It takes you to the next level, which I want you to understand how it works. Now we've chosen a character and we want to modify this character. Okay, this character here is a female, and as you can see, if you click female, it brings out the female character. If you click the male, it brings out the male character. So this, when you click this, it brings out male, females for you to choose anyone. This is the kind of face you want. What kind of face do you need? The shape of the face, you can change it. That's how you create or modify characters. The hairstyle for the male or for the female, the mustache, the type of eye, the kind of glasses, and the kind of wear or dress. Okay, as we go on in these tutorials, you understand the importance of some of these things I've highlighted or I've talked on briefly. Okay, so let's continue. So now you can see what I said about the face. Okay, this is for the hairstyle. Okay, this, you choose any of them. This one that indicates you can choose, you can click on this, it loads, and you see the hairstyle has changed. Okay, so now let's click on the male. Let's click on the male. This is the male. Okay, you click on the face. What kind of face do you want? You select this that's loaded, so you can see it here, the preview of the face. So any face you want, if you choose this, you see the preview. Okay, so what color of face? You come here, if you click red, it shows red. anyone you click it indicates. If you click this one, it changes. Okay, so that is that on how you can modify the face of your character. Okay, now when it comes to the hair, you choose any kind of hair you want, any kind of hairstyle, and you check the preview. Anyone you load, you check the preview if it suits the kind of character you want. Okay, so coming to the mustache or the beards, you choose anyone, the same thing, you check your preview, you see it. Anyone you select, it changes. Okay, anyone you select, it changes. So that is how to modify your character. Okay, so you can also go online and then choose anyone you want, any character or any scene you want. You just pay some token online and it's downloaded into your system. Okay, these are the amounts. It may vary. Okay, so how do you know the ones that are for sale? You will see the icon for shopping. When you see any character with when you see any icon for shopping, you know that that icon is for shopping. Now we'll look at the eye. See the icon I'm talking of for shopping, this icon. Okay, so let's come to the glasses also. You choose, you select anyone you want here, any color, any kind. Okay, when you come to the dressing, the same thing. You choose any shirt you want. These are the shopping, the ones that you can shop for online. They are for sale online. So you make your selections, you choose anyone you want. If you want to shop online, if you want to do your shopping online, you can do. If you want to make use of anyone from this, you can still do it. Okay, so it's left for you to select anyone you want. Let's select this. You click on it, you see, you click on these trousers. When you come to the trouser, you click, it has changed. You check the preview. Anything you click, you check the preview. You click on this, you check the preview. Okay, or you can go online and shop for it. Okay, the same thing goes with the shoe. When you click on the shoe, you see it has changed. You can shop for it online if you want. If you click on this, it changes. And the voice, whatever voice you want, you can choose. Okay, you can add voice, after which this particular icon, you click on it and you name your character, any name you want to give to your character.